Power quality and power factor. Reliable power isn't enough. Electrical systems need clean, stable voltage and current to perform at their best. Our power quality training shows you how to analyze, troubleshoot, and optimize for clean energy performance. At EFTI, we deliver live instructor-led courses that teach you skills to keep systems efficient, resilient, and cost-effective, whether you're troubleshooting in the field or designing for the future. We offer live online scheduled courses for individual electricians, engineers, and technicians, and customized live online and in-person group training for companies with teams of electrical professionals. These are the power quality courses we offer. Power quality analysis training. This course helps you recognize and fix voltage sags, noise, harmonics, swells, and transients that disrupt sensitive equipment. Power factor training. This course helps you learn how to size capacitors, improve energy efficiency, reduce current and kVA demand, and reduce utility costs. Troubleshooting power quality issues. This course teaches you to use analyzers, scopes, and proven methods to pinpoint hidden problems. Energy efficiency retrofits. This course helps you identify and avoid common pitfalls when upgrading lighting or motor systems to VFDs. Power quality and harmonics training. This course teaches you how to detect, analyze, and mitigate harmonic distortion to maintain clean, stable power. Why it matters. Power quality issues cost time and money. Clean power means less downtime, longer equipment life, and smoother operations. Our training empowers you to prevent costly failures before they happen. Who should attend? These courses are designed for electrical engineers, technicians, facility managers, and consultants, anyone working with systems that demand high-quality power. Students earn CEU and Professional Development Hour credits, a certificate of course completion, and take-home materials like digital electrical handbooks and technical guides to support ongoing learning. Take control of power quality. Explore our training courses today to boost reliability, prevent downtime, and power your future with confidence.